Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen how this pass by value concept behaves when we tried with the int primitive type. In this video let's see how objects behave when we talk about this pass by value concept. Let's try to understand it with some coding. I'll create one main function, and here I will create an object of employee class. And I will set the salary of this employee to some, let's say 1000, and I will print this out by saying this is salary e dot get salary. I will run this, and this is obvious that the salary is 1000. That's what we have set. But let's say I'm passing this reference to some other function. Let's say change salary, and I'm passing this reference here, and I will create this change salary function. Which will take argument of employee type. And here I will try to change the salary of that employee, saying set salary, and I will set it to 2000. Now if I run this code, we are getting the updated salary. In the last video we have seen with the primitives this was not happening because primitives did not pass the exact value to other function. Similarly, here employee E is a reference, is a memory address at which the employee object is created. So when we say that we are passing the reference to this change salary function, we are not passing on the object, we are passing the reference. That's where the confusion begins. Earlier we have said that Java is a pass by value, not pass by reference, but here a reference is getting passed. Actually this is not a reference, actually it is passing the value of reference, or we can say it is passing the reference as a value to some other function, and both of these references are referring to the same object, and that is the reason when we change the salary of that employee in some other function, it is getting reflected in the main or the color function. So that is how pass by value behaves when we work with the objects. It is different from what we observed in the primitives.